Hi, Stephanie. Today is August 12th, and as usual, I am more than happy to create this video lesson for you today. What I want to show exercises uh, for and to discuss is this idea that you rightfully mention a lot. Um, this idea of uniqueness, right? And authenticity. And I hate to sound like a broken record, but the first thing and the primary thing that I want to mention as far as the way to find your signature sound is to think about how you say things in normal speech, which is why I always talk about that and why it's important to say like a monologue, recite like a monologue, the lyrics to any song that you're doing first. And we've never done that in lessons, but that's something I'd like you to do at home. Um, Before you practice something, go through it and say, trying to think of the lyrics to a song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stephanie. Happy birthday to you. And then when I go to sing, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And I'm trying to make it as much like the way I said it as possible. That's just a tip that we've never done in lessons, but I thought of when I was thinking about ways to address what you're talking about as far as finding your signature sound. Now, exercise number one, like always, or a hum, I guess. And remember, there are going to be days when a hum is easier than a lip trill. A lip trill is just not going to feel great or whatever. It's just going to be more difficult, right? But try for the lip trill. Right? And you'll feel that breath energy build, and you'll be able to, more importantly, get to pitches that sometimes you didn't know you had, but you'll be able to get to pitches that you might not be comfortable singing, but you'd be comfortable lip trilling. That's way lower, way higher than I'd be comfortable singing for you. So lip trill or hum to start out with always. But again, let's try doing a song. Let me look up the lyrics to a song that you that I think would be really good for you. I'm going to look at the lyrics for Because of You by Kelly Clarkson. And what I'd like you to do is I'm going to recite exactly like I'm telling you the lyrics for the first verse and the chorus in my normal recitation speech. Okay. How I would normally, if someone gave this to me as a monologue, how I would perform it on a stage, let's say like in a play. Okay. But I'm going to leave time afterwards for you to copy me, copy the words, but not copy my speech. I want you to recite the same words, but say it like Stephanie would recite it, let's say in a, like I said, like in some sort of play or that kind of thing. Yes. All right. So let's start. I will not make, but now you say it how you would say it. I will not make the same mistakes that you did. I will not let myself cause my heart so much misery. I will not break the way you did. You fell so hard. I've learned the hard way to never let it get that far. That's how I would say it with my accent and the emphasis on the right words and that kind of thing. Okay. So there's that. Now with the chorus. Because of you, I learned to play. I'm sorry. I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me, but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid. There you go. So you can do the whole song. I'd like you to do the whole song just reciting it, just in recitation. And feel how you're supposed to record everything. Then go to sing the song and practice the song, aiming to keep everything in that speech level, aiming to say everything the way you would sing everything the way you would say them. Again, not just with your own accent, but with paying attention to which words you naturally emphasize, the words you naturally highlight, the words that are naturally secondary or sort of receding, that kind of thing. Okay? Excellent. I'm so proud of you, proud of your work. Have fun, and I'll see you next week.